Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss about our new CLI commands. The first command is Wheels About. The About command provides a complete overview of your Wheels application, including framework versions, environment details, and configuration status. So let's move to our command box and run this command, Wheels About. So, we can see the Wheels CLI version, application paths, server environment, and application stats. Can also see helpful resources as well. Let's move to the next command. Our next command is Wheels Get Environment. The Wheels Get Environment command displays the current environment set for your Wheels application. It automatically detects which environment your application is configured to run in, like development, staging, or production, and shows where this configuration is coming from. If I go to my command box and run this command, I can see the environment is development, and it's also mentioning the file. If I open the file, I can see the key, Wheels env, and environment is set as development. So, if I remove it and change it production and rerun the same command, I can see the environment has now changed to production. Let's move to the next command. Wheels Get Settings. This command displays the current Wheels application settings for your environment. Let's go to the command box and run Wheels Get Settings. As we can see, all the settings are displayed in our command box. It shows all configuration settings that are active, including defaults and any custom overrides from your configuration files. You can view all settings or filter to see specific ones. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, hit the like button. Have any questions or any queries, write in comments, and subscribe our channel and hit the bell button for more videos.